This is not another stream. This is the moment we show up. Real talk, real truth, real people, ready to ride. No filter, no fluff, just raw conversation that hits where it matters. Welcome to the revolution of You Become You Live. Let's do it live in 5, 4, 3, 2, 1. Hit it! Do you hear that? Do you hear it? That's the sound of your rise. You ever feel like life knocked the wind out of you? Like you're screaming in a room full of noise, but no one hears your voice? Not even you. Let me remind you of something. Something that even I have to remind myself of. You have a voice, and you always have. It may have been silenced by fear, by trauma, by years of people telling you to be realistic. Who the heck wants to be realistic? But deep within you, beneath the layers of pain and doubt, there's a sound waiting to break free. The sound of your truth, the sound of your rise. You see, following your dream isn't about certainty, it's about faith. I'll say that again. Following your dream is not about certainty, it's about faith. And that's the kind of faith that needs everything to make sense. I'm talking about the kind of faith that moves mountains with the power of a mustard seed. Tiny but unshakable, because dreams don't die, they wait. They wait to catch up to the divine timing. They wait for you to believe again, to breathe again, to stand up again. And yes, you will get knocked down. Sorry, but baby, every time you rise stronger. Every time you fall forward. You fall into purpose. You fall into alignment. You fall into knowing that your journey is yours and that nothing, absolutely nothing, is impossible when your soul is ready. You don't need anybody's permission to be great. You just need a whisper of belief and the courage to act on it. So today I give you this: speak with boldness, move with intention, and trust the process, because you, my friend, are not just finding your voice. You are becoming the sound of transformation, and the world is ready to hear you. That's it. That's all. I like that.